Sa nangyayari ngayon sa Senado, sa totoo lang, nakikita niyo bang matutuloy ito?
Dapat. This is a constitutional duty, and not only that, it's something that our people have been waiting for a long time.
Mhm.
Yung kaya nga nakita nyo naman nung dumaan sa House yan,
Mhm.
we really took we were so extra careful in making sure that we went by the book.
Mhm.
Everything was accorded the right procedure, and when it went through the plenary, umabot ng 257 votes
Mhm.
ang impeachment case.
Mhm. Okay.
So hindi lang dapat bigyan ng karampatang bigat ng Senado yung pinadala naming mga articles of impeachment.
Okay. Sinabi ni Congresswoman Luistro, lahat sila ay umaasa sa inyo. Kayo ang parang professor nila because, well, many have not been in legal practice for a while. So, ngayon kayo ang second lead sa prosecution panel. Ano po ang strategy? Without
Ay,
revealing, your cards this early.
just like in court, as a trial lawyer, I never reveal strategies
Okay.
out.
Oops.
Ngayon,
But
no,
what is the
I
most
must
important thing for you? Okay. Wag na po yung strategy.
the most important thing is laying out the evidence without theatrics,
Mhm.
without grandstanding, and just putting it out there for people to understand and absorb.
Mhm.
Because at the end of the day, an impeachment trial is not just about senators judging members of the House. It's about what happened, what the truth is, and the people will be the judge, bottom line. Kaya yung nangyayari ngayon, yung kung ano-ano mga nakikita natin na parang hindi natin natututukan yung ating impeachment case. For me, let's focus on what's important. And what's important is accountability.